Are you ready to ditch the commute and work from the comfort of your own home? If so, you were in the right place. Today, I'm bringing you remote support roles, including some data entry opportunities from Capital One, from AmeriHealth, among many more. So make sure you stick around to the end. You don't want to miss these. Our first role is coming from Honeydew as a member service representative. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this position, you will answer patient, lab, and pharmacy calls. You will schedule appointments, assist with members through live chat. You will answer questions about treatments and appointments, and resolve issues and document those interactions in the CRM systems. The schedule is Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you must have a high school diploma or GED. Customer service or call center experience is preferred. They would like to see strong communication, problem solving, and attention to detail skills. So this is a great entry-level option for someone who enjoys helping patients and customer service and wants a fully remote with healthcare benefits. So if you're interested in the Honeydew member service representative role, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Capital One as a work-from-home customer service coordinator. This is a full-time remote position. For this role, you must live within a 100-mile radius of the following zip codes below. So what you will do in this role, you will provide customer support for card accounts. You will listen and troubleshoot customer concerns. You will de-escalate issues, answer questions, and use strong call control and problem-solving skills. For this role, it does pay $21 an hour. You must have a high school diploma or GED, 2 years of customer service or call center experience, and they would like to see 1 year of using Google Suite or Microsoft Office. For this role, financial industry experience is preferred. It is not required. Again, you must live within 100 miles of an eligible Capital One location. So if you're interested in the work from home customer service coordinator position, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from AmeriHealth as a personal care connector. This is a full-time remote position within the United States, so no matter where you are in the United States, you can apply. So what you'll do in this role is you will support Medicare members through inbound and outbound calls. You will answer questions, explain benefits, help resolve care issues, as well as document interactions, and connect those members with healthcare and community resources. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 3 to 5 years of call center experience. They would like to see Medicare, Medicaid experience is preferred, but it is not required, and strong communication, multitasking, and computer skills. So this is a great option for experienced healthcare, customer service, or call center professionals who want that remote opportunity helping others. So if you're interested in the personal care connector with AmeriHealth, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Gainwell Technologies as a provider enrollment agent. This is a full-time remote position within the United States. So what you would do in this role, you will process provider enrollment cases, you will update provider information, review requests, communicate primarily through email and internal systems, and help move cases through process and quality checks. For this role, they would like to see previous customer service experience. It is preferred, it is not required. They would like to see credentialing or healthcare provider office experience as a plus. Again, it's not required. And strong teamwork, empathy, and communication skills are important. For this role, the shifts are scheduled between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Employees will have the option to either work 4 10-hour shifts or an 8-hour shift within those operating hours. The application deadline is September the 1st, and the salary range is $30,000 ending at $43,000, which all depends on your location and experience. So this is a great opportunity for someone looking to break into healthcare administration, provider enrollment, or credentialing without having that required prior experience. So if you're interested in the provider enrollment agent with Gainwell, the link is in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Image 360 as a claims correspondence review specialist. This is a full-time position within the United States. The salary starts at $20 ending at $22 per hour, which all depends on your location and experience. Again, this is 100% remote. So what you will do in this role is review claims and plan documents. You will research eligibility, respond to emails and support tickets, as well as resolve claim questions, maintain shared inboxes, and make outbound calls when additional information is needed. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. They would like to see 2 years of claims examiner or customer service experience and strong typing skills. So this is a great remote opportunity for someone with claims, insurance, or customer experience who enjoys research, correspondence, and detail-focused work. So this role has a significant email ticket and claims review responsibilities. Some phone work is required, but it is not the main priority. So if you're interested in the claims correspondence review specialist with Image 360, the link is in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Sharecare as a medical records specialist. This is a full-time remote role. So what you will do in this position, you will process medical records release requests, you will verify authorizations, as well as retrieve and scan records. You will transmit documentation, perform quality checks. You will also maintain HIPAA compliance and protect patient information. For this role, you must have a high school diploma or GED. 2 years of medical records experience is preferred, and you must also be able to type 50 words per minute. So for this role, it is a great opportunity for someone who is seeking a remote healthcare data records role with strong focus on documentation, accuracy, and privacy. So for this role, it is not a heavy phone role, so that is great as well. So if you are interested in the release of information medical records specialist with Sharecare, the link is in the description to apply. All right, folks, that's it for today's job leads. If one of these roles fit what you have been looking for, don't sit on it. Remote jobs like this move fast, and the best ones get filled quickly. Tap in, apply smart, and I will catch you in the next video drop. Thank you for watching.